Most people think they kill plants because they forget to water them. But what if forgetting to water was actually the right thing to do? There are 10 succulents that don't just survive neglect, they genuinely prefer it. Go on vacation for 2 weeks and leave them on the windowsill? They'll look better than when you left. Number 7 on this list has survived weeks without water, without sunlight, and in temperatures most plants would hate and came back perfect. Let's meet all 10. By the end of this video, you'll know 10 succulents that thrive when you forget about them, how long each one can go without water, whether it works indoors or outdoors, and the tiny amount of care that makes it last for years. Some go a month or more between waterings. One has been documented growing in cracks in concrete with zero human help. Stay to number 10, it's the one I'd give to anyone who says they can't keep a plant alive. If you love a beautiful home that doesn't demand constant attention, subscribe. We share simple, fuss-free gardening ideas every week. Here's why these plants are nearly impossible to kill through neglect. They evolved in deserts and dry cliffs where rain was rare, so they store water directly in thick, fleshy leaves, and stems a built-in tank they draw from slowly. Forgetting to water isn't a mistake with these plants, it's basically correct. The real killer of succulents is overwatering, not neglect. Let's meet the 10. Haworthia is the most forgiving succulent on the planet. It survives low light, irregular watering, small pots storing water in stiff, pointed leaves to coast for weeks or months. It doesn't even need direct sun, just bright indirect light, making it perfect for offices and bathrooms. Water once a month in summer, once every 6 to 8 weeks in winter. Perfect first succulent for anyone who thinks they can't keep plants alive. Snake plant is the undisputed champion of indoor neglect. It tolerates low light, irregular watering, and temperature swings documented surviving 6 weeks or more without water, and it actually grows through it. It also releases oxygen at night, one of the best bedroom plants around. Water every 3 to 6 weeks, bright to medium light, then leave it alone. Aloe vera is the earns its spot for more than drought tolerance. It's the most useful plant here. It can go 4 weeks or more between waterings. Sunny window, terracotta pot with drainage, water only when soil's bone dry. And that gel inside the leaves soothes burns and minor cuts the plant that asks for the least and gives back the most. If you're building your list of plants you actually can't kill, subscribe so you never miss a weekly guide. Let's keep going. Jade plants live for decades on neglect, some of the longest-lived houseplants around, often passed down through generations. Nearly dry between waterings in winter, every 2 to 3 weeks in summer. Bright window, snug pot, and it slowly grows into a thick-trunked little tree that outlives most of your furniture. Echeveria is too beautiful to look tough, but that waxy coating dramatically cuts water loss. It carries 3 to 4 weeks without water in summer, longer in winter dormancy. The only thing it's fussy about is good drainage and bright light. Get that right, forget the rest, and you get some of the most beautiful rosettes in the plant world. Sedum is the neglect-proof outdoor pick cold hardy down to zone 3, in many varieties. It spreads in dry, rocky soil, colors up in the sun, and shrugs off weeks without rain. Plant it in a rock garden or dry border and walk away. Many varieties turn deep red and burgundy in fall for a second season of color-free. Zebra cactus is the one I teased at the start. Haworthiopsis attenuata has been documented surviving months without water, low light, temperature swings, and dusty cramped pots, and coming back perfect every time. Bold white zebra stripes on dark green leaves, stays small enough for a desk. Water once every 6 to 8 weeks in summer, barely at all in winter. If you're loving this list, subscribe. We find the toughest, most beautiful plants and bring them to you every week. Gasteria is an underrated pick for neglectful indoor gardeners. Related to aloe and haworthia, it's adapted to deep shade in the wild, so it tolerates lower light than almost any other succulent. Water every 3 to 4 weeks in summer, barely in winter. Rare at big box stores, but worth hunting down at a specialty nursery. Agave is for maximum impact, minimum water outdoors. Once established, most agave need no supplemental watering at all. Rainfall is enough. Cold-hardy varieties like agave pari survive down to zone 5, handling deep Midwest and Mountain West winters. Full sun, fast draining soil, and then genuinely never water it again. Hens and chicks is the one I promised. Documented growing in cracks of stone walls, gravel paths, and abandoned containers left outside through winters with zero care. Cold hardy to Zone 3, covering most of the continental US. It multiplies on its own into baby offsets, with rosettes in green, red, purple, and bronze that deepen in cold weather. If you've never kept a plant alive, this is the one planted. Water once to settle it, then walk away. 10 genuinely indestructible succulents that don't just survive neglect, they prefer it. From the low-light miracle of Haworthia to the self-spreading independence of Sempervivum, every plant here proves you don't need a green thumb or a complicated routine, just the right plants. Which one are you adding to your home first? Does your survivor succulent story beat mine? Tell me in the comments. If this gave you the confidence to try again with plants, hit subscribe. We share the simplest, most beautiful gardening ideas every week.